Hello everyone, I'm Wokko and welcome to Wokkolandia. One of my friends asked me to repair this two little guy, and is a good way for have a new toy line in this channel. And they are from the advanced Dungeons and Dragons toy line from the 80s. And like you see, in the past someone already repaired this guy. Probably because those leg was connected in a very weird way. Basically, this hook need to connect and stretch the elastic inside, and in this way you have a tension who keep the legs straight. But really, look this little pin. Probably they are made to be broken. In any case, the idea was use the power of the magnet for make this guy stand, and the first step was remove part of this rough repair. Using my sculpting tool, I start cut this part. I think he tried to melt these two pieces together, probably using a flame, and melt part of the leg in the process. I don't know. In any case, now I have these two legs and I need to understand how to use the magnet. Like I said, the goal was make this guy stand, and yeah, I need to understand how many magnets I need to use, and yeah, where place the magnet and how. I start mark the place where I want the magnet, and I don't know if this stuff works actually. With the Master of the Universe, I have a lot of room for place the magnet. 4 magnets in total, 1 for each leg and 2 on the pant. In this way I connect the legs and I can rotate the joint. But here is completely different. I don't have space and I start drilling a hole in the leg, and with my sculpting tool I remove material for create room for the magnet. In this way I can place a magnet on each leg and one in the middle. But I need to be careful. I have to pay attention to the polarity. Otherwise the leg will not connect, but will be rejected by the central magnet. Well, the other leg is ready, and now using 3 magnets, like I said, I try to make this guy stand, and keeping the magnet attached one another help me to don't mess up this part. In this way I'm 100% sure of the polarity, and also I easily understand where these central magnets go. For the first step I use a single drop of super glue for attach the magnet inside. In this way, if I don't like the result, I easily remove the magnet. And because the result was quite good, after the glue was dry and some compare, I cover each leg with super glue, gluing the magnet firmly inside. Well, the glue was dry and now it's time to attach the body, and like you see, you don't have a lot of room for attach this magnet. Also, like you see, we need some adjustment here. Removing this little step helped me to bring the leg up and have more surface for attach the central magnet. And using my sculpting tool and a file, I flat the entire surface. Also, my friend asked me to not remove this old rough repair because it was his father who fixed the toy. And because of that, I decided to not cover the old repair with firmware and leave the old scars behind. In this way the toy stands up, but his history will not be erased. And I think was story like this one who make me really love the vintage toys, the broken, loose and dirty vintage toys. Because if we talking about our own toys from the childhood, even if we buy a brand new version of our old toys, it will never be the same toy with which we share our memory. Well, back to the fixing. Now it's time to make stand up this Warduk. Well, this guy. And in this case the work was way easier. The first reason was because I have already done the same stuff with the other guy and I have already in mind what I need to do. And also for this one I have more room for this central magnet. And after drill and prepare the legs, I only need to glue all the stuff together. And for complete the job, I decide to fix the color with a little touch of acrylic paint. And after this step, guys, this fixing is finished. Like always, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have some question, comment down below. And remember, like, share and subscribe really help me on the channel, and ring the bell for not miss the next video.